In this LashJoy Academy tutorial, we'll be talking about anchor points. So the first thing we want to do is make sure that we have a good pillow. So I recommend getting a flat LashJoy pillow that's nice and short. So the first anchor point is the elbows. The second anchor points come from the wrist on the side of the face. If you're doing that left eye. If you're doing the right eye, your elbow comes up towards that edge of the pillow and rests on the side of the forehead. It can also rest on your lash tile if you're there as well. The other anchor points that are important are your pinkies. So the pinky normally comes into play when you are picking up an extension or applying to the natural lash. So elbow down, pinky on the iPad and bringing that in nice and close. Pinky on the nose, stretching out to that outer edge. You'll also use your pinky when stabilizing to peel off extensions from your tile and also to apply the extensions to the natural lashes. Another tip would be to have yourself sitting quite low, so make sure your stool goes nice and low and having a high bed. That way you can always have a nice, correct, straight posture and you're forced to sit up straight. You won't get any bad habits where you're slouching over your client's head. And that's how you use your anchor points using the LashJoy methods.